Dear student, welcome to the Business Studies class, part 24. Importance of organizing. First, benefit of specialization. Organization leads to a systematic allocation of job among employees. Repetitive performance of a particular task helps a worker to gain more experience in his area and leads to specialization. This results in higher productivity. Second one, clarity in working relationship. The establishment of working relationship create scalar chain in an organization. Scalar chain means formal line of authority from highest to lowest rank. Third one, optimum utilization of resources. Organization result in proper use of all humans, financial and physical resources. The proper assignment of job avoid overlapping and duplication of work. All these help to prevent confusion and minimize the wastage of resources and effort. Fourth one, adoption to changes. The organization process allows a business enterprise to adapt itself to changes in business environment. It allows the organizational structure to be suitably modified. Fifth one, effective administration. Organization provide a clear description of job and related duties. Clarity in working relationship enable proper execution of work. Sixth one, development of personnel. Organizing stimulate creativity amongst the managers. Effective delegation enable a manager to use his time on high priority area. Seventh, expansion and growth. Organization helps in the growth and diversification of an enterprises. It allows a firm to add more job position, department, new geographical territories, and even diversify their product. Next area, organization structure. Organization structure is the outcome of the organizing process. It is the framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. It specifies the relationship between people, work, and resources. For example, a company such as Protector and Gamble that sells multiple products may organize their organizational structure on the basis of product they deal or on the basis of geographical area they operate. Next, span of management. Span of management refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. This determines the level of management and also give a shape to organizational structure. Some of the major factors that affect the span of management in an organization are A. Capacity of superior, B. Capacities of subordinate, nature of work assigned to subordinate, and physical location. This part is completed. Thank you.